The biggest challenge of independent India in last 75 years faces Prime Minister Modi and his government today. America has given a deadline till today evening to reduce tariff on agriculture produce of the farmers. America wants to sell American wheat in India. What will happen to India's farmers? America wants to sell American Makka into India. Then what will happen to our Makka producing farmers from Bihar to Rajasthan? America wants us to reduce tariff on American cotton that has to be exported to India from 45% to 5%. America wants us to reduce tariff on Washington DC apple from 50% to 15%. What will happen to India's 62 crore farmers who are now reeling and demanding a compulsory law on MSP for last 3 years? We should also remember that America pays 26 lakh rupee of annual subsidy to each farmer. India gives a lollipop of 6,000 and takes away 40,000 from his other pocket. So the test of the Prime Minister's commitment to nation first, to farmer first lies today.
So how far you will take this issue? Will you be raising the issue in the House also? Because
We will wait till today evening and see how Prime Minister and Government of India decides. We will support Government of India in every endeavor to protect the rights of the farmers and agriculture produce. Prime Minister should show the courage of conviction to stand up to the threats of America vis-a-vis exports of agriculture products of America into India and dumping them here.